With vehicles, we can lower the price in many instances. If the value of the vehicle on the date the bankruptcy filed is something less than what's owed to the creditor, we're going to take the price of that car down to the value of the car. Interest rates. We can lower interest rates. In Arizona, we generally lower interest rates down to 7%. So if you have a rate that's higher than that, we can lower that rate. Back payments. If you're behind on a vehicle loan, the back payments go away forever. The final thing we can do is we can take up to 5 years to pay for that car. Now we can do the same thing with equipment. If there's a secured loan on any type of furnishings or any business equipment, we're going to be able to restructure that. Taxes we can pay off at zero interest, zero penalty, which is huge because the tax authorities generally will collect 22% or more if they're non-filing penalties if you're trying to pay those off under a payment plan outside of bankruptcy. Chapter 13, 0% interest, 0% penalty. Mortgage arrears. What do I do if my home's in foreclosure? I'm 7 months behind. The mortgage company won't take my payment. They tell me I have to come up with $11,000 by Friday or I lose the house. Well, in Chapter 13, we get to restructure that. We can say, no, mortgage company, I'm not going to catch up that home by Friday. Instead, in my Chapter 13 case, I'm going to pay that $11,000 out over 5 years at zero interest, which can produce a payment as low as $140 to $150 a month. So Chapter 13, again, we're taking those debts that we need to pay off or that we want to pay off, and we're lowering the payments on those items down to more affordable levels. But at the same time, since this is bankruptcy, we're also going to get that court order discharge that eliminates those debts we need to get rid of. So that is probably the most comprehensive fresh start that a person can get through bankruptcy.